Yes, ma'am. So I would definitely like to recommend this CMTI 3 months training course, both regarding who wants to get into the construction field as well as interiors. So CMTI is providing really good learnings, both on this theory as well as practical. Practically, they are like more into the industry field. They have more like experts from the industry. So they will definitely get to learn very much. So I will definitely like to recommend this course.
Hi, Piyush.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
How are you?
I'm not out.
Yes, I'm good, Piyush. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
So can you introduce about yourself?
Yes, ma'am, sir. So my name is Piyush Misra. I'm from Mount Abu, Rajasthan. I have done my BTech in civil engineering from Aryan's College of Engineering, Chandigarh, and now I have pursued 3 months internship course on interior design and site management from CMTI. And currently, I am placed in Glamwood Interiors as a production analyst, which is in Marathali, Bangalore.
So how did you get to know about CMTI, Piyush?
I got to know about CMTI from you.
Okay, so you got to know CMTI from YouTube, huh?
Yes.
Okay. What and all you learned here?
I will start my journey. So I came here back in December. So they taught me all the sequence of construction, the practical aspects, and the industry visits, site visits, everything I got to, like I can say the practical things that I was lacking in my college days, all of them I got to learn from here. So it's been a quite wonderful journey.
Yeah. So how was your trainers and all?
Yes, ma'am. Trainers were really good. Starting from Natarajan sir, he taught all the practical aspects in construction, uh, both the theories and practical. We had a lot of site visits. So Natarajan sir, for SketchUp, this 3D software, I got to learn many things from Srinivasan sir. For SketchUp, Santosh sir, and this AutoCAD, Srinivasan sir. So all of them were really good with their knowledge and skills, and they helped me a lot.
Okay. So how was your site visits and all?
The site visits were really good. Got to learn many things from site visits, like a lot of reports on basis of the learnings. So it was really good.
So, like, how was your interview process, Piyush? So, how many interviews you had been attended, and this is the final interview you had been cracked, right? So, how was that support?
So the support has been really good. एक्चुअली मैंने इंटरव्यूज है 5 दिए, पांचों इंटीरियर के ही रिलेटेड था बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू गेट इनटू इंटीरियर फील्ड. So support has been really good, especially Shweta ma'am. She helped a lot, and she told everything that how should you prepare, how should you like prepare from the app itself. There was this cracking the interview, this video you can learn from there. So the help and support was really good.
Like, what about Ashok sir? How was his guidance and all?
Yeah, his guidance and mentorship has been really good. He is with every student, like he helps every student who is down in their career, and it motivates them to just excel and just learn and try to give your best. So he has been really good.
What do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Yes, ma'am. So I would definitely like to recommend this CMTI 3 months training course, both regarding who wants to get into the construction field as well as interiors. So CMTI is providing really good learnings, both on this theory as well as practical. Practically, they are like more into the industry field. They have more like experts from the industry. So they will definitely get to learn very much. So I will definitely like to recommend this course.
Thank you, Piyush. Thank you so much for your feedback.
Thank you
So,
for having me.
all the best for your upcoming days, and congratulations for your placements once again. Thank you, Piyush.